Hello, good and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 21. A binary operation asterisk is defined as x asterisk y is equals to x raised power of y. If x asterisk 2 is equals to 12 minus x. Now we are asked to find the positive values of x. Now the binary function x asterisk y is equals to x raised power of y. Now we're given x asterisk 2 is equals to 12 minus x. Now x asterisk 2 from this binary function is x raised power of 2 is equals to 12 minus x. So from here we'll have that x squared plus x minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we've gotten what? A quadratic equation. Now factorizing this quadratic equation, we have x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Now what we did there was that we picked two numbers which when added together will give us plus 1, and when multiplied together will give us minus 12, and that is minus 3 and plus 4. So from here we'll factorize this first and then these two next. So we'll have x into x minus 3, then plus 4 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So from here we have x plus 4 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Now from here we can get the positive value of x. Using the first, we have x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4, or x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equals to 3. So the positive value of x is 3, minus 4. And that is option C. 3, minus 4. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.